guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Damian. I'm back with a Dhar Mann video for you guys today. Teen prankster pulls fire alarm to skip test, and if you guys didn't see the thumbnail, you guys would know that Apollo, I believe, is the one that's going to be the teen prankster, because I'm pretty sure he's in the thumbnail pulling the pulse station. So this one reminds me of Mikey pulling the pulse station with his, cheese-covered fingers years ago, because, Jay's gone now, so, or sorry, Mikey, that was all Mikey. Mikey did that. I think Jay tried to stop him, and so did Noah, and then he did it anyways, and then got arrested in the end. And now we got our boy Apollo doing it, so we're gonna see what happens to Apollo. Is this basically a recreation just with Apollo? Let's find out. But once I saw that was premiering, and then I was at work yesterday, and I was like, I want to watch this right now, but I couldn't, obviously. But now I'm at home, and now I can watch it. Just did a night shift, I'm exhausted, but I gotta watch this video for you guys. So, gotta put the tiredness to the side and do the video, and then I can sleep after that. Starting. Alrighty. 20 minutes, 12 seconds, came out just 10 hours ago. And I'm excited for this one, basically because it has Apollo. If it was anybody about Apollo, I don't care that much, but it's Apollo. Let's find out.
I know you put that fire.
No, it wasn't me. I swear.
You a bitch all over this.
No, I promise you, I didn't do it. No, I'm innocent.
You'll be in detention.
I'm pretty sure the teacher or principal can't grab you by the shirt.
For the rest of your life.
You might think I'm lying, but I swear I'm not. And after all, honesty is the best policy, right? Let's backtrack to how this all started.
Okay, that was interesting.
Dax, why are you still in bed? You're gonna be late for school.
No, that can't be your mom. Come on, Apollo. The other girl has to be your mom.
Oh, let's go.
Mom. I can't, Mom. I'm sick.
Are you, though? I mean, you look sick.
I don't really feel good, Mom.
Mommy?
I think I miss him.
Oh.
If he's faking, he actually does look like he's dead. He looks like he actually does look dead, so. You know what, props to you. You do look dead.
Oh, you do feel warm. Okay, we'll take some medicine down in the cabinet, okay? Get some rest.
Hey, a little while I never hurts anyone, right?
Okay, I'll call you later to check in on you, okay?
He's doing a good job, though. I'm not gonna lie. That's actually a W. I would actually see him and be like, you're sick.
Feel better, sweetie.
Thank you, Mom.
Woo! Woo! Bro, what did you...
And if your mom comes in or something, what if your mom comes in any second now? Oh, I forgot to tell you this.
See that? Oh, she totally fell for it. Whew.
That was crazy. I'm crying. The acting had me so convinced. She totally believed it. You're actually evil, and I respect it.
Look here.
Best prank I've seen this week.
The nose is what sells
The
it.
commitment to the bit.
Stay tuned. There's a lot more with that.
On a really random note, have you guys noticed that his arms are a lot bigger now? I noticed that in the first video he was really scrawny. Not really scrawny, but he was definitely a lot scrawnier than he is now. He's been working out or something. Damn, bro.
That came from. Let's go.
I'm jealous.
In the chat.
We need to talk about attendance rates. You have more absences at your school than any school in the district this month. What seems to be the issue here?
But it's just kind of strange because we're known to have the lowest absentee rates in the system.
Well, can that be more?
Damn.
One student in particular, Dax
Dax.
Morales, seems to have a concerning truancy record. A long history of call-outs, not to mention some behavioral issues.
I see. Well, Superintendent Spears, I'll deal with this swiftly.
You better. I'm sure I don't have to remind you how important tomorrow is. We have officials coming to evaluate the school and your performance as principal.
I'm pretty sure if they see you grabbing students by their collar or by their shirts, you're probably not going to have a job much longer. Just saying, because you can't do that. You literally cannot just grab students like that. So, just saying. Just saying.
Of course. We'll be ready.
See you tomorrow. Pinley.
Well then, all right. All right.
Dax Morales.
No way! You guys are trying to kill me. Okay, fine. You pay. I'll play.
Yeah, but where's the mom at? Is the mom at work or something all day or something, and then he's faking, or what? Plus, if he's streaming online, can't the mom see this? I love how they added the sound effect of like a burning, you know, like this, like the sizzling.
Hey, Mary.
Another student puked in the nurse's office.
Okay, and why you tell me that? I don't really care.
Whoa. I need a student's address, on Dax Morales.
A home address? Why?
Just give it to me, Mary. I need it ASAP.
You need
No
a reason.
way.
You need a reason
you
for
guys
that.
are crazy. No.
You need a reason for that, bro. Oh no, what are you gonna do?
Whew, here we go, chat.
There's no way your hand got stuck that fast. There's no way your hand got stuck that fast. Like, yes, it'll get stuck because it's super glue, but like, it's not gonna act that fast, is it? Is your hand missing some skin now, or? Like, okay, as principal, do you not have better stuff to do than going to a student's class? Or sorry, going to a student's home address to find out where he is? Like, I get it, it's affecting records and everything, but just because he calls out doesn't mean that, like, if he's sick, you know what I mean? Like he's not actually sick, obviously, but, like, were you gonna, like, investigate every time a student calls in sick? Are you really sick, bitch? Like, what is this? This is not realistic literally at all.
Dax Morales. Look, oh, that's funny.
Apparently you're not coming for Dax Morales today. Okay, maybe you are. That evil smirk too.
You guys are crazy.
Waxing his legs?
Oh, this is gonna hurt so much. Oh, so smooth. Oh, so smooth.
He's crying and I'm living. Why did it sound like tape off a wall? This weird ass principal, creepy ass principal.
Let's see how sick he really is.
Chat,
What the fuck?
we've been wildin' today. Come on, please give me something good to do next. No way! You guys are crazy! Right at the school. Yeah, we want to see you in class. Right at the principal. Guys, come on, you know I can't take this to school. Well, I mean...
Stream a fake fire drill. Oh, here's what the... Oh, I forgot the title for a second. He's gonna pull the fire alarm.
I want to see a few $100 from you then. Maybe I'd consider it. That must be my mom. Got heck sick. Did she forget her key? Come on now.
Anyone home?
Principal Pinley? Guys, I'll be back. There's no painting with you. What are you doing here?
Hey, Dax. Where's your mom at, little buddy?
Where's your mom at, little? This is so creepy, bro.
I'm working. Why?
Well, I just want to talk to her. Check on my most absent student. You know, it's pretty weird you've been sick so many times this month, right?
Well, no, I'm sick. What do you want me to say? You don't want me coughing all over everyone, do you?
We don't want that, don't we?
Uh-uh.
You'll be lying to me, huh? What you got?
I hate when he does that. The only thing more
It's so weird how they do like this little point of view where he's like talking to us. Hi, Apollo. Like, what the fuck?
intimidating about him is his breath. Oh. Honesty is the best policy, Principal. I mean, isn't that what you teach us? Hey, but don't you worry, huh? I'll be back tomorrow. I'm finally starting to feel better.
It's good to hear, Dax. Miss you at school.
I miss you too.
Principal Paley, what are you doing at our house and without an adult present?
Yep. That's a good question. I don't know what I was looking for. I'm still loading. Logical question? I mean, I don't know. I was gonna say that. Yeah, that's a really good question, Principal. Why are you there?
Oh, I was just, checking on Dax over here. He's had a long string of absences, yeah. Kind of worried about him at school.
He's sick.
Clearly. Again, my apologies. I'm just checking up my student.
Dax, what's going on here?
Ma, you thought I was lying about being sick. Can you believe that?
Mr. Painley, this is none of your business. My son is not a liar.
I mean, he kind of is, but okay.
Absolutely not. Please pardon my interruption. We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, and
Wow. I am so glad I have a son who's honest with me.
Do you think that the mom knows already? Because I feel like again, he's doing all this live on Instagram or live on something, so she could easily see it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know.
I know you would never lie. That principal should be ashamed of himself.
I know.
Faking being sick to miss school? Oh, I raised you better than that. Okay, go back to bed. I'll make you some soup.
Those eye stare downs were pretty. Had a live stream from a remote location. Spy glasses with hidden camera. Okay.
Bingo. Mom? Can we go to the store?
Aren't you sick? Aren't you sick though? Damn, that's actually pretty cool. Wow.
Whoa. He's really doing it. Dude, are you streaming with those? Right now?
Yes. Come here. Spit on the low. You can watch on your phone.
Where's the camera at? Like, there's no camera there.
Maximo, 25.
Awesome.
So everyone knows him. He's like the school prankster. Alright, well, uh-oh.
Glad to see you, Dex.
Oh, I'm happy to be your principal.
You know, today's a very big day for me, so I don't need you messing it up. If you mess this up, I'll make sure you never graduate the 9th grade.
You can't do that. I have all A's.
Well, there's another way of not graduating.
9th grade? You're telling me he's 14 years old? Fuck out of here. No, he's not. He's like 20, bro.
Huh?
Listen, young man. Well, there's other way of not graduating.
There's other way of not graduating. What's the other way?
Huh?
Listen, young man. You better straighten up all else. Take those glasses off.
Why? What do you mean? You can't tell a student to take off his glasses.
Chad, no way. Did you guys hear that? Was he threatening me?
It was on record. You win this round, Dax 1, Principal 0. Bro's gonna check your locker next. I'll send you 100 if you get that guy back. You gotta do more now. Okay, but what if he comes...
I'll send you 100 if you get that guy back.
He's like, okay, money Bro, every episode he's obsessed with money. Every single episode, either he wants money from boxing or pranking. He wants money from something all the time.
Like I said, you pay, I'll play. Let's do this.
Uh-oh.
Thank you so much for coming to Brookside. I'm so happy to have you here all today.
Target in sight.
Oh no.
Principal Paley. Hi. I just wanted to apologize.
It's okay, Dex. Just head back to
I'm
class.
so glad you came over to my house last night and forced me to show up. I mean,
Oh god, this guy's here.
even if I'm sick, I mean, it's important I don't miss class. I mean, you said your reputation was far more important than my cough, sir. You just said it yourself.
Haley, why would you do such a thing? It's highly inappropriate.
You went to a student's home.
He's just a child. You can't force him to come in sick. He is a health risk.
Okay, Dex, please just get back to class. I'll touch base with you later.
He's gonna kill you later.
It's just a misunderstanding. He's delirious. Delirious. All right, let's just move on. I got an introductory presentation set up in the science room for you.
No, he's pissed. Oh, he's pissed.
You can use another lesson.
Damn. Apollo's a
So I'm
savage,
preparing a
bro.
presentation about the changes that book side. Let's get it started for you.
Yeah. Are you ready? This is gonna be wild.
Oh.
Sorry about the wait. It'll just be 1 second.
That's pretty funny.
It's not supposed to be playing. Just give me 1 second.
Is this supposed to be funny, Pam?
No, this is not the presentation. There must be some crisscrossing the wires and Bluetooth or something like that.
Are these personal photos of you?
Oh no, that's my family photos. You know, that's my family dog Fido right there. He's so cute.
I'm not gonna get copyrighted, so. Uh-oh. He's gonna kill you, bro.
I got it.
Oh no.
I got it to work for you.
Seems we got a little prankster, you know. Yeah, you know these kids. Shall we continue?
Those don't look so bad, come on. You know what must be done. Start a food fight. Ignite the chaos. That pasta something. You're not supposed to... whatever. The sauce is strong with you.
Food? I mean, I don't know. I mean, maybe if I had a little monetary motivation, I don't know. What? Doc, I gotta give the fans what they want. Come on.
Uh-oh. Well, this ought to be interesting, especially with the superintendents at the school, too.
Who did this?
Yeah, you better hide there.
Yeah, we also got the kids brand new iPads so they can use their e-learning.
What's the cost of all that?
Sir, we have a major problem in the cafeteria.
No, not right now.
No, they need you there now.
The super... Everyone's so pissed. Well, I love this video, especially because it's Apollo, bro. I love it. Oh.
Everybody stop!
How'd you smell it?
Who started this?
Uh-oh. Fine, bro.
Dex Morales.
Hi, Principal Paley.
I know it's you, little wiggle.
What the fuck? You can't do that. What the fuck? That's crazy. Oh my god. Okay, that's crazy. Bro, look at his arms. Oh my god, he is jacked. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, this is crazy. That's crazy, bro. Is this how you conduct your school or oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, you're not gonna have a job much longer. He hasn't even pulled a fire alarm yet, bro.
Is this how you conduct your school?
This is appalling. I'm sorry you had to see such a mess.
No. Just...
And plus, you literally saw what he just did. He literally grabbed a student like this as if he was a bully. Like, you know what I mean? What the fuck?
Not how I conduct my schooling. I'm sorry for this. Just kids being kids. I like to promote self-expression, so every Wednesdays I let the kids get a little messy as long as they cleaned it up.
Interesting.
Well, that's different.
All right, kids, let's get this place clean. Get back to our tour, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
So every Wednesday they allow a food fight? Yeah, this girl's like... Every Wednesday he allows a food fight and then they clean it up after? That's just wasting food, bro. Come on.
How do you pull that off?
Oh, that's when he's gonna pull the fire alarm.
I'll get you, Paley.
Uh-oh. Oh, everyone's saying pull the fire alarm, pull the fire alarm, pull the fire alarm. Damn, bro.
No way, you guys. I can't pull the alarm.
Yeah, you'll get charged for that. Uh-oh. He's like, money, I'll do it. Yeah, you're gonna need that money to bail you out of jail, bro. Or frickin' pay that charge, bro. Pay that fine.
Mrs. Hamilton?
Yes?
Hamilton, okay.
Yeah, use the restroom.
Sure, go for it.
Uh-oh.
No.
Money?
That's a lot of moolah. You can't blame me for thinking about it, can you?
The polo?
Well, I think I speak for all of us when I say we are very impressed with you, Penley.
What?
You run a tight ship around here with some pretty interesting techniques.
Great job, sir.
Yeah,
Until the fire alarm
You didn't mention there was a drill today.
She's so pissed. She hates him, bro. I'm serious. She hates him. What the fuck? Are these animations too?
I know you brought that fire. No, it wasn't me. I swear. You did a big job of this. No, I promise you, I didn't do it. No, I'm innocent.
You'll be in detention for the rest of your life.
No, listen, Principal Paley. I thought about pulling it, okay? But I decided against it.
What?
I really didn't do it.
What?
You don't believe me, don't you?
No.
What is going on here?
This student pulled the fire alarm.
But no, I didn't.
How do you know it was him?
Do you have proof?
Well, not per se, but I knew it was him.
Principal Paley, we found a student responsible for this.
What? It was him?
The blue dye doesn't lie. We put that in all the school fire alarms.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wait, what? I thought that he... I mean, it didn't show him pulling it, but...
Wait a minute. Are you Go Jaguars 12? You've been egging me on this whole time.
I wanted a day off. A math test last period. Listen, Dax, I was wrong. Shouldn't have rushed to judgment.
That's all right, Principal. Sorry. I'm sorry about everything else, too.
I'm just glad everyone is okay.
These things happen.
We'll head out, but Good job, Principal Bailey.
Good job.
Okay. Is he gonna get in trouble with Mom now, or what's gonna happen in the last few seconds?
Morales, you are in big trouble.
Why? I just got home.
Oh!
Okay, Mom, I can explain.
Lied to
No,
me.
I didn't lie to you.
You are grounded.
I really should have listened. Honesty is the best policy.
For a month. No phone, no computer, no video games, no social media. Just go to your room. No dinner either.
No dinner for a month? Damn. Bro, look how young he looks here. Oh my goodness, looks like a baby here. Oh my goodness. Alright. That was a really good video, actually. Did not expect a video like that, to be honest. I really want to see comments now, to be honest with you guys. That was actually... It was like a really different kind of video, too. It was like... Point of view, like he's speaking to the camera. You know, like what? You can't blame me for this. There's all the animations with the principal and being angry and that mad scale, or the, you know, the anger scale, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Like that was quite different, actually. This kid has the best house design in Dhar Mann. It looks like a real house rather than just a set. That's true. That's a new house, I think. I don't think we've seen the house before. Okay, this should be a series, like Jane Mickey. More docs, please. That'd be great if Apollo had his own series. This is me. You're probably wondering how I got here. Start. Principal Painley. Principal Emotional Painley. Had me rolling. The way he acted and talked to the audience in the video was so astonishing. Shouldn't need more of them like that. Feeling happy after watching this hilarious video. Needs his own docs. The Prankster series, Dhar Mann. How did he pull that off? All that had me cracking up. Finally, a normal or average video I wanted to see for 3 years. Not getting kids and getting bullied for everything. That is true. Alright. I'll be dealing with this swiftly. Britney Spears and Taylor Swift in one sentence. Mr. Smiley, now Principal Painley. Yep, that was Mr. Smiley before, guys. Jeremy found himself to keep it with his actor playing Dax. He can be Dhar Mann's success story if he utilizes this talented kid properly. Period, though. John is so good. Like, I love John. He's freaking fan. Sorry, Apollo. Best video ever, Dhar Mann. Please do more videos where the actor talks to the audience like that and acts at the same time. Very impressed by this video. Yeah, it was interesting. I thought the principal said, I'm tired of your shit and you're in bitch trouble for this. Okay, well, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Again, definitely an interesting video. I did like it though, I'm not gonna lie, like different, but I liked it, and because John played in it, I love it, it's great. So yeah, that's a good video. Alright. Surprised he gets suspended or expelled. He got grounded, which he definitely deserved that. I'm surprised the mom didn't find his live stream sooner, but yeah, honesty is always the best policy, so they also made this video a life lesson, as they typically do. So yeah, basically, honesty is the best policy, so don't lie. That's all I got. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and do all the good stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Deuces. Peace.